Hello students, welcome to Prayash's YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class and the subject is mathematics and the topic is fractions. So in this one, as per the Navneet Digest index, number 15 and the number 16, both were taken at a time, okay, because all are related to the fractions and all are the related to each others, okay. So all the operations means addition, subtraction and the multiplication also we are going to cover, because that is useful for the making the ascending, descending, or we can say the unlike and liking, or we can say the comparison also, okay. So this video is completely for the lecture. So in next video we are going to see the certain examples, okay. So what exactly the fractions, तो फ्रैक्शंस क्या है एग्जैक्टली तो फ्रैक्शन ये जो वर्ड है फ्रैक्शन ये ओरिजिन कहाँ से तो ये वर्ड ओरिजिन है लैटिन लैंग्वेज से ओके लैटिन मतलब जिस तरह से हमारे यहाँ संस्कृत है उसी तरह से यूरोप में लैटिन लैंग्वेज थे ओके तो लैटिन लैंग्वेज से है जिसमें कि ये फ्रैक्शियो फ्रैक्शियो समथिंग कुछ ऐसा वर्ड है ओके वहाँ से हुआ जिसका मीनिंग क्या था लैटिन वर्ड में कि टू ब्रेक मतलब छोटे छोटे पीसेस में उसे कन्वर्ट करना ओके तो यही है फ्रैक्शन मतलब क्या है कि ब्रेक्स ओके जो छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स है उसे हम कहते हैं फ्रैक्शंस तो हम उसी से डेफिनेशन क्या है फ्रैक्शंस की तो फ्रैक्शन इज अ used to represent the portion okay or we can say the part of the whole things. This is very important okay means fraction means that complete things is there okay whole thing is there from which or we can say in that whole things parts or portions that we are representing okay that we are represent okay so that is called the fraction okay now this is represents in equal parts of the whole okay means not a small parts like this one or like this is the big part and this is a small part like this one or this is so if there is a circle so not only this small part or not only this big part we will make it equally okay means something 4 something 5 something 6 times or infinitely okay but all should be equal parts so that is the main part main meaning okay then fraction has two parts okay fraction has two parts one is the numerator and the another is the denominator so it's showing like this one there is a small horizontal line and below this one there is some numbers are there and above this one also some numbers so this above parts above the line this one is called the numerator okay I'm just short form in a nr numerator this is the numerator spelling and this is the below parts in a below the line or we can say the bottom parts is showing the denominator okay this is the denominator so numerator upon denominator okay then the number on the top is called numerator and the number on the bottom is called denominator the denominator numerator defines the number of equal parts taken this is very important this line द न्यूमरेटर डिफाइंस मतलब क्या है ये क्या शो करता है ये न्यूमरेटर शो करता है कि टोटल पार्ट्स टेकन ओके और वी कैन से टोटल पार्ट वी हैव चूज ओके और टेकन और वी हैव काउंटिंग टोटल पार्ट्स ओके दैट काउंटिंग और दैट टेकन पार्ट्स इज शोइंग न्यूमरेटर whereas the denominator defines the total number of equal parts in a whole thing मतलब जो completely whole things थी ना जो whole things इसके टोटल कितने इक्वल पार्ट्स है टोटल इक्वल पार्ट्स दैट टोटल इज शोइंग डिनोमिनेटर आउट ऑफ दिस टोटल वट एवर द parts were taken that showing the numerator okay so again if you are not understanding so please go back in this video and please listen from the starting okay so this is a numerator and this is a denominator okay so whole things means denominator and parts okay small parts or equal parts or portions showing that is a numerator okay so now you know about the fractions okay so now there are the some different parts or we can say the different classify okay so fractions are saying like fractions some are saying unlike fractions so what is the like fractions and what are the unlike fractions so like fractions means the fractions whose denominator are equal always be comparison always be more than the two fractions okay not in only one fraction so that's why this is a fractions s is there okay so fractions with the same and different denominator then there are the like fractions says when their denominators are equal there are the two or three or more okay infinite fractions but generally minimum two fractions should be there. Okay, so when we are comparing two, this is a one fraction and this is another fraction, this another also, so these are the three fractions. Suppose there are the two any fractions, so these two parts are comparing on a denominator basis. When their denominator are equal, then that is called the like fraction. Okay, like fraction, this fraction and this fraction are like fraction. Then unlike fractions, fractions whose denominator are not same, okay, so that is called unlike, means this is the opposite of this one. Okay, I hope you understand like fractions, so it's easy to understand the unlike fractions. Now, conversion of unlike fractions to like fraction, this is a conversion, means unlike to like fractions किस तरह से comparison conversion करते हैं. तो observing the denominator is given fractions, okay, then we can use multiples of them to convert into equal denominator. Okay, suppose there are these two fractions, this is one fractions and this is the another fractions. Make equal denominator of these fractions, or we can say the like fractions. Now these are the unlike fractions, we have to make it like fractions. Okay, so 4 by 5 and here 6 by 7, so 5 and 7 are the denominator, but both are the different, so these are the unlike fractions. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make the multiples. Okay, we have to count the LCM. Now this is the LCM comes here. What is the L? This is the least, means smallest. Least is means the smallest. C for the common and M for the multiples. Okay, so 5 and 7, these are the two denominator and we have to make it equal. So what we will do, so we will do their multiples, but that should be the common, means 5's multiples and 7 multiples, in that one which is the common, but that should be the least. Okay, so there are the three conditions, that should be the least means smaller, that should be the common, and that should be the multiple. So that's why these three conditions of 5 and 7. So to find out in the multiples, or we can say the LCM. Okay, so what are the common factors? Now 5 having the multiples 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 50. Now 5 is a number, these are the multiples. Now already in last lecture we have seen factors and the multiples. Okay, multiples means that number is multiplied, okay, in like a table. Okay, multiplication table. Now we know these are the multiples, so we have noted this one all. Like this one 7's multiple also here noting. Now in this one multiples we have listed. Okay, now comes to the C means what? Common. Now in this one which is the common, there may be after the 40 or something, here 70 also. Okay, and here also something 70 number. After this one the 105 also there and 105 here also. Okay, or after, and you can say after this one the 140 also, 140 also. These are the common multiples, but we are choosing the common multiples, but that should be the least. Okay, see, again I am repeating, we are listing here multiples. Okay, then we are find outing the which are the common multiples, like this one. Okay, these are the common, but in this one the least means the smallest one. Now this 140 or infinite multiples are there, but in this one the least means smallest. Which is the smallest? 35 is the smallest, so that's why this is called LCM. I think you understand now LCM. Okay, next time I will explain HCF also. Okay, so HCF and LCM, the meaning of this LCM is very important. This is the multiples, common and the least. Okay, so from this one I hope you understand the concept about the LCM. Okay, so now come to the our this fraction conversion. Okay, I think you have learned here LCM, or if you already knows the LCM, so possible your LCM definition more clarified. Okay, so now comes to the our convergence of unlike to the like. So these are the two fractions. So now 5 and 7, these are the two different denominators with different numbers. Now we have to make it same numbers. So for this one 5 and 7, what is the 5 and 7 have the LCM, that we have find out in here. Now this is the 35. So here 5 by 4, To make it this 5 to the 35, what we have to do? We have to multiply by this 7. Okay, so if we multiply by this 7 at the denominator, same number has to multiply to the numerator also. Okay, so then 4 multiplied by 7 means 28, and 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. So now here 35 is a comes the at a denominator. Same for this one, 6 by 7. Now here from 7 to 35 we have to make it conversion. So 7 to 35 means we have to multiply by 5. So if we are multiplying by 5 at the denominator, same 5 we have to multiply to the numerator also. So 6 multiplied by 5 is a 30. So this is now comes to the 30 by 35. So now 35 and 35 both are now having the same number in a denominator. Now we can say these are now like fractions. So this is the like fraction now. So this steps, or we can say this is the procedure to convert the unlike to like fractions. Okay, so now come to the next step, comparison of fractions with equal denominator. So now we are going to make it the comparison. When denominator are equal, we will compare their numerator, the fractions. Okay, numerator of the fractions we have to compare. If there is a already the denominator are the same, whose number is greater number is the larger fraction than the others. Now there are the two examples, 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Now this denominator are the same. Okay, so on which basis we have to compare this fraction and this fraction? So that is on a numerator, because these denominator are the same. Okay, if denominator are the same, then we are going to compare on only numerator, and in this one the numerator number is greater means that complete fraction is a greater. Very simple, numerator number greater means complete fraction is greater. So in this one 3 is greater than 2 means 3 by 5 this fraction is greater than 2 by 5. This condition only when the denominator are equal. Okay, again I am saying, so please understand this one. Now after this one we are going to see the comparison of fractions having different denominator but same numerator. In previously there is a same denominator. Okay, same denominator. Now we are going to see the different denominator but same numerator. So there are the some examples. So 3 by 4, 3 by 5, 3 by 6. Now here the denominator are different, only the numerator are same. So if numerator are equal, then fractions which is having greater denominator is smaller. So in this case the denominator is greater, then that fraction is smaller. In this case the numerator is greater, fraction is greater. Greater numerator, greater fraction. Here denominator greater, smaller fractions. I think you understand this one. Okay, so this one fraction denominator greater means what happen, this is the making the equal more parts of the 3, like this one. This is the meaning. Okay, because this 3 is divided by 6, here 3 is divided by 4 means which is the more? So this is the more. Okay, and this is the smaller, because this is a divisor is more number. Okay, here 6 divisor means denominator also a divisor. Okay, so that in that case or in that way also you can understand this one. So now here 6 is the bigger digit, or we can say the bigger number in denominator, so this is a smaller. So we can show like this one. Okay, or like this one. Now 3 by 6 is smaller than 3 by 5 is smaller than 3 by 4, or 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 5 or greater than 3 by 6. Okay, this is smaller than and this is greater than symbol. I hope you understand. Now comparison of unlike fraction. Now when denominator are different numbers, we will convert them to the equivalent fraction. Now what exactly the equivalent fraction? So equivalent fraction means the same of the their denominator are the same, or we can say there are the unlike fractions. Okay, so that is also the same. Okay, so equivalent means that is the equal value of these fractions. Okay, now this 5 by 8 is converting to the 45 by by 72. So these two are the equivalent, because there is the only common 9 is there. If you take out 9 from here and here, automatically this will come. So that's why we are saying this is the equal, and that's why that is equivalent. Okay, so now we will convert them into equivalent fraction. Okay, previously also we are doing the same one. We are converting this one to the equivalent fraction, this fraction is converted to the equivalent fraction. While converting this one, we are find outing the LCM of the denominator number, and means making the same denominator number. Okay, and then we are comparing, means first making the equivalent and then comparing. Okay, so same here also we are doing for the unlike fraction. Now here the 5 by 8 and here 4 by 9. Okay, so 5 by 8 and 4 by 9. Now here 8 and here 9. So what is the LCM, common factor for the 8 and 9? So better we will directly multiply by 8 and 9. So automatically 8 multiplies by 7 is 72. So 72 is a LCM which can be automatically in a 9 table and the 8 table, because we are multiplying 8 and 9 itself. Okay, so this is also the way of the find outing the common factors. Okay, so 72 is a common factor, common, this is the way of the to find outing the common multiples. Okay, so 72 is a common multiples. So now we observe that here numerator and the denominator both are different, therefore we will convert their denominator to the same number. Okay, means we can say here the LCM, or we can find out, or another way directly we will make the multiplication sometimes making, means that is not always be LCM. Okay, if there are the two prime number, then we can say that is a LCM. Okay, please understand that multiples. Okay, so 72 is a multiples of this 8 and 9. So then comes to the 5 by 8, this fraction. So 5 by 8 means 8 has to convert to the 72. So for this one we have to multiply by 9 to the this 8. Then that 8 multiplied by 9 means 72 comes, and same number we will multiply to the numerator also. So this 9 multiplied by this 5. So this is a 45. Now this comes to the equivalent fraction. For same 4 by 9, this is a fraction. So 9 to 72 we have to convert. So that's why we have to multiply this 9 to the 8. And this same 8 has to be multiplied to the numerator 4 also. So 4 multiplied by 8 is a 32. So 32 by 72 is the equivalent fraction of this 4 by 9. Now this is also equivalent fraction, this is also. Now we have converted this fraction to the equivalent fraction and this fraction to the equivalent fraction. Then we are comparing on these two fractions. Again I am saying these two fractions now we are going to compare, because their denominator are the same. Now in this one denominator are the same, means we are going to compare only on numerator here. Now numerator comparison means the numerator number which is greater, so that denominator, that fraction has a greater. Okay, here 45 is greater than 32, so this complete fraction is greater than this fractions, means 32 by 72. Hence this is the equivalent fraction of this 5 by 8, because already we are converting this one. So come to the this 5 by 8, this 5 by 8 greater than this 32 by 72 is a fractions, equivalent fractions of the 4 by 9. So this bring here 4 by 9. So 5 by 8 is greater than 4 by 9. So like this one we have to make the comparison. So this is a comparison of unlike fractions. Okay, I hope you understand this completely up to this one. Now we are going to see the addition of like fractions. Okay, when addition like fractions, we are add the numerator of the two fractions and write the denominator as it is. Okay, so like fractions means their denominator are the same. Now here all the denominator are same, means all are the like fractions. So in this one the simple way, the here denominator will keep it as it is. Now here all are the 9, means this comes the 9 as it is. Only the numerators addition has to kept. Okay, so 4 plus 9, 2 plus 4 plus 1, like this one. So 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 9, like this one. This is very simple. Okay, but condition is that this should be like fraction, means like fraction means all the denominator numbers are the same. Okay, so here the note is given, if numerator and denominator are equal, then value of fraction is 1. Okay, so means here 9 by 9 means of course 9 divided by 9 means 1, 9 ones are and 9 ones are, okay, like this one. So that is a 1. This is just for your information, okay. This is very important, okay. So we can say 9 divided by 9, okay, or the in fraction mode also the numerator divided by denominator. So that is also the same meaning of the dividend by divisor, okay. Now subtraction of like fractions. Now here we have done the addition, like this one. Same for the like fraction, subtraction has to do. Now when subtracting the fraction from another like fraction, we write the difference between numerator in a numerator and the common denominator in a denominator. So this is the 13 here, also here 13 means the same denominator. So these are the like fractions. So 13 will kept as it is, only the difference between these two numbers which are at the numerator. So 6 minus 3 means 3 here. So this is the 3 by 13. So this is the subtraction of the like fraction. Now addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. So unlike fractions for this one. So addition first we will see 2 by 7 plus 1 by 3. Now here 7 and 3, these are the two different numbers. So for this one, first of all we will make it the cross multiplication. For this one, so 2 multiplied by 3, okay. So always we'll do like this one, okay, and then here the sign and then multiply by this one, like this one, okay. Or we can say in a Marathi the 4 or with the char number. This is the sequence. We are starting from this one, and again as the sequences goes like this one, the same symbolic forms means like this one, okay. Just understand, for just tricking purpose I am, or to understanding purpose I am just giving some idea, okay. So multiplication always be start from the left side numerator, okay, and that is the right side denominator. So always we start from this one and then this and like this one. So Marathi char we are writing like this one, okay. So 2 multiplied by 3, so here the, and then whatever the sign here, so this sign is a plus sign, then multiply by this means 7 multiplied by 1, like this one here. And here the all both the denominators multiplication means 7 multiplied by 3, like this one. So now we will solve this one. First of all, keep all the brackets, okay, and this sign is a separately. Don't mix up this addition and then multiplication. First of all solve out the brackets, okay, or means the multiplication. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 and 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. So 6 plus 7 is a 13. Like this one we can say the 2 by 7 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 13 by 21, okay. So this is the additions. Now same for this one, subtraction also. So 4 by 6 minus 3 by 5. So here also the like this one, okay. So 4 multiplied by 5, then minus this sign, okay, and then 6 multiplied by 3. So 4 multiplied by 5 is this one, then minus this sign here, or here the subtraction sign, and then 6 multiplied by 3. So and this denominator multiplication, keep it as it is, okay. So after this solving this one, the this is the 2 by 13, okay, 2 by 30, okay. So this we can reduce also. Reduction means common factor has to take out. Now here 1 multiplied by 2 and here 15 multiplied by 2. So 2 is a common both side means numerator and the denominator. So 2 get cancelled means 1 by 15. So this is also important steps. So reduction of the fractions, okay. So reduction means that the common factor has to take out, okay, factors take out, okay. So now fraction of given number. So this is very important. So 1 by 4th of group of 20 dots. This is some example. 1 by 4th, or we can say 1/4, okay, 1/4, or we can say quarter of group of 20 dots. So like this one, 1/4 of group of means what? Of means that is a multiplication. So 1 by 4 multiplied by this 20. So this is the denominator means this is the division. So 4 ones and 4 fives. So it's come the 5, or we can say 20 multiplied by 1 is the 20 divided by 4. So again after this one the division we will carry out. So answer is the 5. So same like this one, 1 by 2 of group of 20 dots means 20 multiplied by this 1 by 2, and after the simplification answer is getting the 10. Like this one, 3 by 4 of group of 20 dots, so 20 multiplied by 3 by 4. So after the simplification answer is comes the 15, okay. So just multiplication of this one and divided by the 4. So 60 by 4 means 15. So likewise 1 by 2 of 10 means 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, or we can say 1 by 2 multiplied by 10. So here 10 multiplied by 1 by 2 means 10 by 2, or we can say the answer is getting 5. Then like this one, 1 by 3 of 15. So 15 multiplied by 1 by 3 or 1 by 3 multiplied by 15. Both are the same. So 15 ones are 15. So 15 divided by 3 means 5. Like this one, 2 by 3 of 15. So 15 multiplied by 2 by 3. So 2 multiplied by 5. Sorry, 15 multiplied by 2. So it comes the 30, and divided by 3 is here. So 3 ones are, and 3 ones and 0 as it is means 3 tens are, or we can say the answer is the 10. So after this one, this is very important as an informative point of view. So remember this one. So there are the number 1 to 10 and 11 to 20, then 21 to 30. Likewise 1 to 100 there are the numbers, and we already seen in our mathematics one topic is there 1 to 100 numbers. So in that one also we are find outing the prime number, twin prime pairs, square number, triangular number. Now for the same continuing with that one, if suppose 1 to 10, these are the numbers. So what is the addition of this one? So addition of this one means what? Now here what is the average, or we can say the medium? Okay, here the 10 means here 5 and here 5, but the middle one is the here 5 and then half, or we can say 5.5. And how many total numbers are there? Here 10. So 5.5 multiplied by 10 means 55. That one also the way. Or if you do the addition, here the 55. Likewise 11 to 20, if you do the additions, the answer is 155. So means here just for remembering purpose this 5, and after this 5 another digit, means this 2 digit making the 55 for your understanding purpose. Then here also 55, and after this unit 5 digit taken, so 155. Likewise here 25, and just making the another 5 also here. This is the just understanding or the remembering purpose. Okay, if you do the addition of 21 to 30, you will get this 255. This is the answer, and which is given here also. Okay, so now after this table or observing this pattern, this is for your conceptual purpose or understanding purpose. Okay, the summation of the number 1 to 10 is 55. Okay, now 1 to 10 here 55. Now everywhere here 10 10 10 are added. So 10 multiplied by how many are there? Tens. These are the 10 numbers. So every here 10 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. So 100 plus this 55 means 155. So likewise similarly 100 to 20, how much the addition comes? 155. So for this remembering purpose, okay, this is showing for your remembering purpose. Okay, or we can remember like with here 11 to 20, like in between this 15 is here, and just here write down the 5, so 155. So 21 to 30, 200 and 255. 31 to 40, 355. Then 41 to 50, 455. Likewise 91 to 100 means 955. So this is important. Okay, always be remember this one. So on this sometimes the questions are asking. So for example, suppose 61 to 70 were all the numbers additions. So that we have to remember that 61 to 70 means of course there is a 65 at the middle, and then we have to keep it 5 here. So 655. Likewise we can give the quickly answers. Okay, so this is the lecture about the fractions. In the next lecture we will going to see the examples. Okay, thank you.